Hello students, welcome to my channel Science Studies Fair. So today we will be studying post-fertilization changes that occur in flower. We know flower is the site of sexual reproduction in flowering plants, right? So जो क्वेश्चन है वो 3 मार्क्स में भी सेट किया जा सकता है. वेरी ऑफन 3 मार्क्स का ही क्वेश्चन बनता है. So post fertilization changes में you have to remember these 2 to 3 points. The changes are ovary gets converted into fruit. Okay, ovary changes into fruit, ovary develops into the fruit. The outer wall of ovary gets converted or changes to outer wall of fruit, and outer wall of fruit is known as pericarp, right? Third, ovules change into seed. If there is a fruit which has many seeds inside it, it means it had many ovules before fertilization. Okay, and if there is a fruit which has only one seed inside it, it means it had only one ovule before fertilization. So example here is watermelon, papaya, है ना, etc. And here is mango, lychee, etc. Okay, and last change is sepals, petals degenerate and fall off. However, there are some fruits which have sepals attached on them. Sepals are attached on fruit like tomato. So here the sepals do not degenerate and fall off. On tomato sepals remain attached. Okay, so these are the post fertilization changes that you need to learn. And now we will be studying the next topic, that is germination. Whose germination takes place? Seeds germination takes place. What is germination or germination of seeds? Basically, in simple language, it is the sprouting of that seed. Okay, so consider this is the seed. If it is in the condition that it can germinate, so here it will develop root and shoot. Okay, so basically remember that seed germinates to form or develop into plantlet, and then plantlet develops into plant, and plant है अगर आगे उसको ट्री बनना है तो it will develop into tree, right? तो जो शूट डेवलप होगी सीड की उसको हम बोलते हैं प्लम्यूल, और जो रूट डेवलप होगी उसको हम बोलते हैं रेडिकल. ओके, सो यू कैन से कि प्लम्यूल इज द शूट ऑफ दैट germinating seed and radical is the shoot of that, radical is the root of that germinating seed, and from this radical the entire root system of that plantlet will develop, and from this plumule the entire शूट सिस्टम ऑफ दैट प्लांट विल डेवलप। ओके, तो आप कह सकते हो अब रेडिकल है या जो रूट्स है उनके ऊपर एक कवरिंग होती है टू प्रोटेक्ट दैट टेंडर एंड एपेक्स पार्ट ऑफ दैट रूट और दैट रेडिकल विच इज़ नोन एज रूट कैप। ठीक है, सो ये है जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड्स। फेवरेबल कंडीशंस फॉर जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड्स आर ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर। Okay, certain seeds require low temperature to germinate, certain seeds require high temperature to germinate. Optimum, other than optimum temperature, seeds require optimum pH, sunlight, and of course water is very important for the seeds to germinate. So they may ask you the optimum conditions for germination of seeds. So these are the some conditions that generally a seed requires to germinate. Okay, so we will be studying this much only in this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found the video helpful, then hit the like button. Also share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.